Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Honda Civic. This iconic compact car has long been a favorite, celebrated for its impressive blend of reliability, fuel efficiency, and engaging driving dynamics. It consistently offers a practical yet stylish option for a wide range of drivers. We'll explore what makes the Civic a standout in its class, from its performance to its interior features and overall value. The Honda Civic delivers a surprisingly engaging driving experience. You can find models with efficient engines, often achieving over 35 miles per gallon, or opt for turbocharged versions offering over 200 horsepower for a more spirited ride. Its suspension is tuned to provide a comfortable journey while still feeling nimble and responsive on winding roads, appealing to both daily commuters and driving enthusiasts. Inside, the Civic boasts a well-designed and surprisingly spacious cabin, offering comfortable seating for 5 adults. You'll find intuitive technology, including touchscreens with smartphone integration, making every drive more connected. Honda also prioritizes safety, equipping the Civic with a suite of advanced driver assist systems that help protect you and your passengers on every journey, contributing to its strong safety ratings. When it comes to overall value, the Honda Civic truly shines. It offers competitive pricing, excellent fuel economy, and a reputation for low maintenance costs, contributing to a strong resale value over time. While many compact cars offer good features, the Civic consistently delivers a well-rounded package that's hard to beat. It stands as a benchmark in its segment, offering a compelling blend of practicality, performance, and reliability. And speaking of smart choices, if you're looking to streamline your meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description below, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.